Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring another item. So now, today I'm going to bring this item, but I'm not going to actually test it out today. I'm going to do another review on it, how to install it, how to use it. Today we're just going to unbox. That's pretty much what I'm going to do. What I did, I bought the top two car cameras. You know, everybody needs a car camera these days. You know, you never know if you want to get into some dispute with about an accident or something could happen tragic, that you want to make sure you want to capture some of the stuff. Some people don't, some people do. Now a lot of these cars are coming with built-in now in the future. They're gonna start building them in now. For those old cars like the ones I have, they don't have them. So I actually just bought the top two of the Amazon listed. So we're gonna open one up. We're not gonna try it out today because I'm doing another review on how to install that and how to set it up and how to work with it. All right, so this is part one of many parts to come to it. So I just want you to know what you guys get. First of all, you get this 1-year warranty. It's AnyTek. It's called AnyTek. Really good item to see it, but we got to test it out, you know, before we even, it looks good on paper, but then, like I said, I got to make sure to test it out. So let's see what you get on the box. You know, there's a couple things it tells you on the dash cam, and it's Chinese made, of course. It's the number, like the top 3 on Amazon. So this is what you get, and see how big it is, you know, in reality. So let's put this on the side. And of course, it's a dash cam. You know, it's for cars. You could use it for other stuff too. Empty box here. I'm gonna put it on the side. Let's see if you guys can see better. Yeah, you guys can see everything on the side. I'm gonna open it here. Look how small it is. You know, I would say it's really tiny. It's not that big. You know, it's just the camera itself. It's adjustable. There's a double-sided tape adhesive right here that comes ready to go to peel. There's an audio input, and there's a reset button, and also a USB, the old USB-B. If you guys see it, you see that? Let me see if I put it in the camera. Okay, there it is. So let me make sure you guys got plenty of light on it. On top of that, the camera is really small. It's like a 2-inch camera, 2.3, I believe it is. A couple of settings on the side of it. Let's see what else you get on top of that. Now they do give you extra mount. They give you a USB cable, a car adapter for the USB, and a manual. Now on the USB manual, and they give you extra adhesives, which is not that bad. You see that? They give you like 3 of them in case it runs out. And they're the 3M adhesives. They also give you a manual, how to install it, how to print, how to bring out the actual images and set it up from step 1 to step 2. The car adapter, the car charger, is what they give you too. Also, too, you can start plugging it in and directly plug it into your car. Now, one thing I didn't like about it, there is no, they don't give you a micro SD card in here. It's not included. I'm gonna be using it for a couple days and see how it goes, but in reality, I gotta take a look at it more. I gotta go into it before I even say it's good, because right now it's just an open box. That's what we're doing right now in this video. So you get the USB here, a regular USB. Same, if you have a USB, you can plug it in directly. In fact, I do have some batteries in here. So I do have a battery, an external battery. We're gonna plug it in, all right, and we're gonna plug it in, see how this sucker works and how it looks. So might as well get it going, but I'm not gonna do a video on how to set it up because that'll be another time. So let's go. Damn it, just open it up. Open the whole damn USB and get it running. The USB itself, they give you like maybe a 3 foot or less than that just to begin with, but we're gonna plug it in today and mount it up and see how it goes. So I'm gonna make sure that the battery has juice. Battery does have juice, does it? Yep, battery has juice, just to make sure that it has juice. I'm gonna get the connection here. I'm gonna plug it in right now on the power, the USB. And then I'm gonna crank this sucker up. Oh, I see light already. It's coming up. It's saying active. And here it is. It's coming on for the first time. And the camera, it says SD needed, but the sharpness of it looks really good. Look at this. Look at the camera itself. You could tell it's a high-end camera. I like it. It's real simple to use. Let me move my finger here out of it. You guys can see the camera. Right now I'm using it with a battery, external battery, that it pretty much charges the whole thing. Let's see how well it looks like that. See how good quality it is? I'm just showing you my ground, how dirty it is and all that stuff, but you guys can see anything. I mean, it looks pretty well. I'm getting it cranked up in here. There's no card in here, of course. Power it needs power. It says that it's blinking the power. 1080 FHD quality. It has the settings for the dates. I gotta get a card to make sure it's working, and then I'm gonna set it up on the card. Now, on top of this, on top of this whole thing I just purchased, and this is pretty cool because you could actually paste this in the adhesive and leave it there, and you could just go through the back and just kind of pretty much grab it. It doesn't have to be something that it's permanent, you know, which is not bad. Now, this part of it, I'm not quite familiar where this will go, but there's has to be places for it, you know, and I have to read the manual, of course, but that's in another time. We're going to do another review on that one. Now, on top of that, I did purchase another item that I was really thrilled about it. I know it comes with the car chargers and the car adapter, but I was super happy about this item that I purchased, and I'm going to show you guys this. On top of this, because I hate to turn on and plug in to the actual plug for the lighter plug. I didn't want to do that all the time, so I ended up buying this additional extension for it, and it's a USB to a different kind of connection. I don't know what connection is this, but I'm gonna let you guys know what this does. This is an awesome little connection. So what it does, there's instructions in here how to set this up. And of course, this thing is for the fuse box. It goes into the fuse box, and this connects into it's a ground, I believe. But I gotta read the instructions first, and I want to electrify myself before. That's why I'm gonna do an extended video on this part, how to set this up. So once you put this in, and it runs a long cable through your car, you gotta make sure you configure it on your car, and read your manual before you install this. You know, don't take my advice on this stuff. This is stuff that I'm purchasing for myself. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I will let you guys know. But right now, I just purchased this thing to actually give you power through the dash cam without connecting it with this. You know, every time you turn on your car, your dash cam will turn on, you know, with this stuff. And then you have that wires hanging there in the center, and you hit to plug it in all the time. I didn't want to do that, so I ended up buying this device where you plug in all this through your fuse box and send it back out, and every time you turn on your car, the dash cam will automatically turn on and off. And it's a really good stuff. I was very interested on it. I love the way it was set up, that somebody showed me a demonstration on it, and very impressed with the whole setting. So that's why I was like, wow, I gotta end up getting something like this and making sure it's running. Now I'm gonna spin it out for you guys so you guys can see a little bit more of the items, and you guys probably could zoom in your computer and check it out. But you get all this except for the battery. Like I said, I just wanted to make sure that the dash cam is working, and that's one way I'm making sure it's working. And like I said, this device does not come with it. This is an additional device. I'm going to show you videos. That's why I'm going to do another video how to, because this is something I was looking forward to, and a great item to have. So I would have to avoid setting up this. So they do, when you buy this, it gives you a little combination if you want to include this. But like I said, consult your manual, consult your more information about your car that might not be compatible with this device. So not every car is compatible with this, so please be advised that check your manual and see what kind of voltage you could give out on your fuse box before you actually set this up, because you might be burning this out or something electrical in your car, or the device itself, you know. Now, the device was not very expensive. We're talking about the top 3 devices out there. I'll put the prices out here so you guys can check it out. But if you guys like what you see, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're going to call it a day.